Hello, guys. Good morning. It's Dave Santarelli from BreakingChartAlerts.com and Santarelli Trading Exchange. We are having a nice open here. I want to share with you guys what we got in the Trade Challenge account. We took that Trade Challenge account from $2,500. Right now, before open, it is at $5,676.98. Let's take a look at that. You can see right here. Here was the balances yesterday, 56.64.48, and there's the balance right now. And let's take a look at some of our positions in the Trade Challenge account first here. So we have SPY and Visa. SPY, as you can see, is continuing to climb, break out there. That's looking nice. It's getting a nice pop here going into the open. So we'll probably lock in some profits on that. We already got, it was a small trade. It was a $500 trade. We're already up 113 bucks on that. So we'll look at that one. Visa is another one that's climbing. American Express has earnings on the 22nd. So we picked up Visa as a Trade Challenge piggyback swing trade off of I put AMX there, off of American Express AXP earnings. So we got that Visa trade, and then yesterday we got some trades in the main account. We picked up Facebook. Look at Facebook taking off, up over 1%, $3.50, continuing to climb. That's going to be a nice breakout in the main account there. And then our big one, Alibaba. We called that one because it broke that consolidation box. If you guys take a look right here, we were talking about that consolidation box on BABA for how long there? For at least 6 days. And then we finally got that breakout. It broke above that resistance at 170. That was acting as resistance right there. So it broke through that, and now we're looking for that next target, which is going to be between 180 and 190. We already broke 180, so I definitely think we're going to be targeting that 190 this week on BABA. And with that contract that we have, the 177.50, we picked up for 285. If that gets up to 190, well, guess what? That means these are worth $12.50. So if we paid 285 for it, 12.5, divide that by 2.85, that's a net return of 339% right there. If BABA gets up to that 190. So that's a really nice opportunity there with that BABA. I'm not sure if I'm going to sell it on open, if I'm going to hold it, but we'll give it the first 15 minutes and see what we're going to do here, guys. We got opening bell here in about 2 minutes, minute and a half. Got a nice run on our trades here this morning. Probably going to get some orders ready to go here if we do want to sell any of these
U.S.
on
naval support
open.
activity. Bethesda in
About a
Maryland says
minute
it is
left
sheltering in
here.
place, cites bomb threat and active shooter investigation.
Here we go. 15 seconds, guys. It's going to be another good day. We'll get rid of some of these. We'll look for some day trades. And then we got some big earnings after the bell today we're going to be going over. All right, 4 seconds. Here we go. 9:30. Good luck, everyone. There goes Baba. Baba's still climbing there. That's looking good. Let me see what we want to do with our Baba trade. Baba is breaking out nicely. Let's see, 177.50. They didn't catch up yet. They really didn't open up yet. There goes Baba breaking out nicely. There goes Square. Waiting for Baba chart to finally pick up here. Register those 177.50s. Bid in the ask. Still not showing anything there. There goes Baba. There we go. Those 177.50s are now open there. That is a nice profit on those. Let's see if we could get about $5 for them. View order. I am out at 575, guys. We are out of Baba at 575 in the main account there. Nice, nice profit on that one. Out at 575 on Baba. What were we in at? Do you guys remember? Payush, what was our entry price on Alibaba? I'm sending you this closed trade signal right here. Closed out of Baba for 575. We were in at 285. We were out at 575 there. I'm going to post this in the trade room. Sold Baba.
SBUX, Starbucks, Street.com's action alerts with a new buy rating. Sandy Bravo Uniform X-Ray, SBUX.
And there we go. So we sold for 575. We were in at 285. 5.75, divide that by 2.85. We just sold that for 102% gain, Phil. 102% gain on Baba. Yeah, baby. 102% gain on Baba. Yes. Now, Skyjack, that's the one I'm telling you about. That if
Dow
we get
Jones
that,
Industrial
remember
Average
that
up
Walmart
0.1% after
trade
the
that
open.
we
S&P
had
500 up
that was
0.2%.
out of the money?
Nasdaq Composite up 0.2%.
All right, I'm gonna sell out of our SPY here.
10-year
That's up
Treasury hitting
$100 here.
1.673%, highest level since May.
Okay, I sold out of our SPY for a nice profit on that as well. Let me see what I sold that for. Order status, we completed that at 88 cents. So we just sold our SPY trade challenge trade for a profit of about $100. Now I want to see that Visa take off. That one's a swing trade. We're holding that one until the 22nd. All right, so here is Jones said, wow, he made $819 on Baba in the trade room. You see that? That's nice. I think he's new with us as well. Congratulations, guys. Nice job. Nice job. Yep, I'm new. He made 819 bucks on the Baba trade. That is nice. Good job, Jones. All right, what was I just going to share with you guys? Yeah, Jones, you guys can make some good money referring your friends as well here. Sign up for an affiliate. Totally free. There we go. Square's breaking out. Look at Moderna on the run over there. Moderna's having a nice breakout. I want to see that Visa take off there. That one's down a little bit there. Moderna is having a nice little climb here. Look at that candle right here on Moderna breaking out nicely. Let me see. Let me put Visa up here. Yeah, Visa. On $1.33 there. I still like Visa going into this week, though. Look at Square taking off. Look at Moderna. Let's see what SPY's doing here. Maybe we could do another day trade on SPY. That one's still consolidating a bit there. Let's go down the watch list, see what we could do. What was that percentage gain there on SPY? We were in at what, 65
BBIG,
cents?
Vinco Ventures,
Not
Zash
sure what we
Global,
were in at.
Vinco Ventures chairman and co-founder Ted Farnsworth to appear on Benzinger's Power Hour show at 12:20 p.m. Eastern Time. That's Bravo Bravo India Golf BBIG.
AMD. Let's see AMD here. AMD is getting a nice climb there too. Let me see, what is Facebook doing? Let me see what Facebook is doing here. October 22nd. David Rains sold Apple for a 32% gain. Jones just said he's got to head to work now. Have a good day after he just made 900 bucks on that trade. It's probably better than yeah, why go to work, says Phil here. Phil, we got to teach you how to do some trading. Yeah, definitely. Absolutely. Well, Jones, have a good day at work. He said that's more than what he's going to make today at work. Yeah. Call off. See that, Sammy? There we go. Visa's on the climb again there. We'll watch that one. Tesla's tanking over there. Do you guys see those candles on Tesla? Skyjack, remember what I said yesterday about that candle with Tesla? Do you remember that? All you guys in the trade room, remember what I said about that candle? Bill, that's absolutely right. Follow the process, not the money. Money comes with execution. That's a good one for Sammy. You know, look at that Visa trade. It was just down out 350 bucks, down 186 now after we just closed in that nice profit on SPY. So that's not bad. And Visa, that like I said, we got Amex earnings, which is a piggyback trade. But getting back to Tesla, I told you guys in the afternoon session yesterday, usually when you see that high and pulling back from that lows there, you know, going from the highs to the previous candle, usually you see a couple of day retracement there. And I said yesterday that's when I'd be buying puts. And if you did, would have made some nice money on open there. But definitely. So now watch towards the end of today. If you see Tesla continuing to drop, you know it's probably well it has earnings after the bell here, but you know that's what you got to be looking for there. Let's see. Chris Jones says he locked in $500 on those Apple swings. Nice job, Chris. Guys, if you're watching this on YouTube, please give it a thumbs up, give it a like, share it on social media. Help us out here and sign up as an affiliate. It's totally free. You guys could earn some money. Yeah, there's a video on the Facebook page explaining how to do it there. Alrighty, let's go down to today 1 minute chart and show you guys what we're looking at. Let's look for some day trades now. Let's see, are we past that 9:45? Not yet, just 8 minutes in. You guys know we usually wait till about 9:45 for that 15-minute opening range day trade strategy. So that's what we're doing right now, looking for that. Did a nice job selling Baba there at the open. She pulled back. That reversed quite a bit there from those. Payush, could we resend that app alert for the trade challenge trade that we closed on SPY with the percentage? That didn't come up for me. Let's see. Skyjack says NVIDIA. Let's take a look at NVIDIA there. Ooh, NVIDIA's looking nice. That's a good breakout there. Anyone still have that NVIDIA call? What did we do with that? I totally forget what we did with that trade. Obviously, we had to sell that for a nice profit there. There goes Square taking off again. Tesla's climbing off the lows there. Dern is getting a little boost. I should double down on Visa there. Visa's starting to climb now too. Visa's coming off the lows there. That's looking pretty good. Like the looks of that chart. All right, let's go to the next one here. Let's get on the watch list, see what we could find here. Baidu. Look at Baidu. Baba's got another one that we should jump into for another day trade. Visa's continuing to climb. Google's looking pretty good. Disney, Netflix. Netflix is coming off the lows there. Too bad. Twitter.
SKLZ Skills October 29 $10 call sweep Sandy Kilo Lima Zulu.
What was our gain on that SPY
SKLZ.
trade? Let me see. Order status. We sold SPY for 88 cents. We were in 65. 0.88. Divide that by 0.65. 35.38% gain.
Shares of Skills spiking to the highs, $9.52 now. That's Sandy Kilo Lima Zulu SKLZ. ALPP, Alpine 4 Holdings, halted on a circuit breaker. That's Alpha Lima Papa
Visa,
Papa.
83 cents now.
ALPP. SONO, Sonos getting a pop here to the highs.
Want to look for a day trade here.
Increased stake from
Look at Visa taking off there, Sammy boy.
David Einhorn.
88 cents now. Alrighty, let's go down this list. Look at Moderna taking off over there. I'm watching Moderna on this chart. Phil, did you get your vaccines? You did? Are you one of those conspiracy theorists that don't believe in them? It needs more time, right? Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's normal behavior. Yeah.
Scott Wapner tweeting
You still got them vaccinated?
uh, David Einhorn reveals a new letter that he's increased his stake in Sonos to a size that makes it worthwhile to discuss. Say they've owned it for about a year. David Einhorn coming up on CNBC at noon.
Skyjack says Mara. Let's see what's going on
That's
with
Sandy
Mara
Oscar,
over
November
there.
Oscar.
Marathon. That's having a nice climb there, up 3% today. Oh, a couple of you guys got in that in the trade room. That one's looking pretty good there. Not bad. Not bad at all.
AFIN, Giant Group, halted on a circuit breaker.
Let's
Juliet
see, what's that
Foxtrot, India,
Coinbase doing
November.
today? Bitcoin was up quite a bit today.
$4.48.
Look
That's
at Coinbase,
JFIN.
312.33. Man, we got the 300 strike call for I forget what
Coin
it was.
futures spiking here,
I don't know what we paid. $6, $9
$66,600 all-time high
for
on
freaking $13.
Bitcoin.
Now 650 we paid for it. That 300 strikes now going for $15.
Shares of Coinbase spiking 312.70.
There he goes talking about Coinbase now. Remember we were talking about this word synchronicity. Every time I said something, you immediately heard it. There goes Visa again. That means today's gonna be a good day. I'll take it. I'll take it, Phil. It's been struggling with that 21 lately. Visa up to 86 cents now. What was that at? Just like 60 some cents. So that was nice. Nice little climb there. What was yesterday's close? 5664 at about 170. That's from that Visa there. What is Apple doing here?
Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey responding to his own tweet from yesterday, 705742, says now off by 117.
Wow, look at that run on Apple. I'm thinking about doing something with Apple here. This 150 strikes are going for 89 cents right now. I'm looking at those above here. 150 is going for 88 by 90 now. Yeah, one of our members that's not live with us now. They just messaged me on Facebook, Marwa, and she was here yesterday for a class. She's a real estate broker down here, right? And she's selling some expensive houses. And one of them she's got listed as like $11 million. You know, and
JFIN resuming trade
she
now
just
after a
messaged
circuit
me. She
breaker
said,
halt,
Dave,
giving a
should I
Foxtrot
sell
Indian
Apple or
November.
Spy yet? I said yes. Apple. She has the 150 strike. She paid like 60 cents for it. I said, it was at 95 cents. She just sold it, and then she sold the Spy calls that she had, and she made like she has a small account. She's grown because she's learning how to trade, and she's like, man, I love trading. I got to do this full time. Yeah, she's a member. Yeah. Yeah, she loves it. She's still well, she's got a lot going on. Most people don't post in the group. She just sent me her picture. She said, "Here's my happy picture after selling my trades." What's that? Visa's on the climb, baby. There we go. 95 cents on Visa. Oh, Samson. We got to teach Samson some patience and discipline there.
CNEY circuit breaker halted. Charlie November Echo Yankee. CNEY.
I'm trying to ask her, did she place a limit order or a market order? Because if she placed a limit order, probably didn't sell. I'm trying to see because she doesn't know yet. I know on the SPY folder, those are fine with market. Let me see. I says, did you look at your account? Okay, she said, yeah, they definitely sold. She did a market order. That's okay with Apple and with SPY because they were tight.
TLRY. Tearing Tilray is a new pick at Banyan Hill.
Tilray's
Tango
a
Lima
new
Romeo
pick at
Yankee.
Banyan Hill. Those guys suck, but I do like Tilray, especially with what's going on with that medical marijuana stuff they're passing now. See, this is one
As
that
of
looks like it's
Tilray
setting up for one of those ones
moving
that are
higher,
3 to 6 months out
$11.41.
till
Tango Lima
Expo.
Romeo Yankee.
So that's a nice one. They're looking for 3 to 6 months out till Expo. Maybe target that $15, possibly even 20 if they get some legislature passed. Square just had a big pullback there. Market pulling back a little bit.
Now seeing the
952.
$11.50 weekly Tilray call. Tango Lima Romeo Yankee. TLRY.
She sent me a picture. Dave, how much money did I make? Because she sent me an order there that she sold. I'm like, send me the performance.
Apple Insider tweeting Wedbush expecting
Visa's
Apple to
starting to
beat
get a
across the
climb there.
board
I'm
when it
liking
reports earnings in
Visa.
late October, though said that supply constraints could lead to
Visa's
iPhone
breaking out.
shortages in the holiday quarter. That's
Finally
AAPL,
got
Alpha
Visa
Alpha
on the
Papa
run.
Lima.
That's looking good.
IPVF, Andre Cherney,
Visa's almost
CEO and
green for the
co-founder of
day.
Aspiration and Interprivate Chairman and CEO, Ahmed
The
Fatu,
3 month daily chart on Visa
to appear
looks
on
great.
Ben's
That's
SPAC
just ready
Attack
for
Show
that
at
break above
11:15 a.m. Eastern
235.
Time. That's India Papa Victor Foxtrot, IPVF.
Nice. Look at that. It only shows the Apple trade though. I gotta say. That Walmart was a hell of a good trade idea. Man, we did a Walmart trade idea, right? And Skyjat picked it up for 12 cents, sold it for, what'd you sell it for? 75 cents, I think it was? 0.75, divide that by 0.12, 60 cents. zero point 0.6, divide that by 0.12. He sold that for a 400% gain. I know, and I didn't get in myself, but I'm glad he did.
CNEY resuming now after a circuit breaker halt. Charlie November Echo Yankee CNEY. CN Energy pulling back now off the highs of $9.75 at $7.88. That's Charlie November Echo Yankee CNEY. OCA Omni-Channel Acquisition CEO Matt Higgins and Kin Insurance CEO Sean Harper to appear on Benzinger's SPAC Attack show at 11:45 p.m.
Okay, let's go down that watch list here. Now I want to look for some day trades here, but anything yet.
11:45
Caterpillar. Man,
a.m.
I wish
Eastern
we held
Time.
on to that
That's again
Caterpillar.
OCA
Anyone still holding
Omni-Channel
on to that
Acquisition
cat trade?
CEO and
That's still breaking
Kin
out. Just
Insurance
having that
CEO
1020
to
cross
appear
right
on
now.
Benzinger's SPAC Attack show at 11:45 a.m. Eastern
Man, that was
Time.
another one. We
Oscar
called that. We
Charlie
were
Alpha
dead on with
OCA.
that one, but we sold that one early. Sold it early. That was a nice one, though. Okay, Skyjack says T-Ball was asking for your help. Let's see. Tony, I'm going to shoot you a message here. So many got in that Walmart spread idea. He's saying, should I sell it? Man, that was a nice one. That way out of the money vertical spread there. Man, look at that. It's above that 145. Skyjack, I bet you're kicking yourself for selling that now, aren't you? That'd be worth a buck. That was a nice setup on Walmart to take advantage of there. We did the out of the money vertical spread, the 144, 145 back when it was right here, just having that breakout. We did the out of the money 144, 145 vertical spread, and that trade right now on Walmart is going for, let's take a look, buy to open, sell to open. If you were doing that trade now, it would be 144, 145. Going for 79 cents right now. Unbelievable. 0.79, divide that by 0.12, about a 558% return. But yeah, Tony, I'd be selling that if I were you. I would sell that, lock in profits. You could put in a limit order there for 70. Now she's going for 83 cents. You can put in a limit order for 75 cents. If it's higher than that, it'll sell it higher. But 75 cents isn't bad. What'd you pay for that, Tony? Let's see. Muhammad said he bought the Delta 39 put at 32 cents. Is at 43 cents now. Should I sell? Let's take a look at Delta.
IBKR and JPM
He has a
Interactive
1029
Brokers
strike.
announcing
I mean, if
requests
it
for
were me,
payment
I'd be
service
holding
from
on to
JP
that.
Morgan. That's India Bravo
Airlines are
Kilo
having a little bit
Romeo
of
and
difficulty.
Julia Papa Michael.
Nice. Muhammad said he closed Baba for $500 profit there.
PX Blackstone buying majority stake in Spanx.
There's Mar. Mar was on with this on Zoom. Marwood, can you hear
That
us?
according to Dow
Let's see. Is
Jones.
she on here?
Deal value Spanx,
She's
woman
driving,
shaper,
so.
pioneer at $1.2 billion. Spanx founder Sarah Blakely to maintain a significant stake
Spanx.
in the company.
Visa.
That's
Like I said,
PX
Visa's
Bravo
a swing
X-ray.
there, so holding on to Visa there. Looking for a day trade here. Let's find something. Let's see. Bank of America just got a nice little breakout there. Our JPM, another one that's still continuing to climb. That one we had the 167.50 calls for $1.36. We sold that one quickly for some nice gains, but it's still climbing. All right, let's look here. Delta is on the climb there on a minute chart. United Airlines, Southwest, AIG's been on fire lately. Look at Amgen. That's one I think that had a big pullback recently. Now, see Amgen, guys. This is one it pulled back from 250 all the way down to $200 here, and it's just now starting to get a candle between that 10, 20-day simple moving average. You just got the MACD that's crossed here. So if I was going to do a trade on Amgen, I'd be looking at something 3 months out, targeting at least that 225. That's a nice setup right there on Amgen. Caterpillar. Man, oh man, did that break out. What did we have on Caterpillar? Anyone remember that trade? Anyone still holding on to it? I got to get on the website there and look see what we had on that cat trade. I wasn't disciplined enough to hold on to that one as long as I should have. Let me look here. Look at the Walmart trade idea that was posted there. Oh man. So that was sent out on the
HX
18th. That's nice if people got that.
Shelby
That paid
My
off big
resumes
time for
trading,
them. Where is that Caterpillar
moving lower
trade? I'm
now.
looking. There it is.
$9.22. That's Hotel X-Ray HX.
Here was that Caterpillar trade right here. Target was 205. We got in the 200 strike for $1.95. That's right when we got in Caterpillar right there. So $1.95 for the 200. Man, look at that. It's going for 355 now for that 200 strike. 3.55, divide that by, what did we pay? $1.95. That would have been an 82% gain on that one if we held on to that one. Let's see. YouTube says Nick Richardson, check out FedEx. Oh man, we were talking about jumping in that one yesterday. Don't even tell me. Ah, that one's breaking out, having a nice little climb there. I like FedEx. This is one that I definitely would pick something up, but I'd go with that December 17th monthly expo. I'm definitely going to be checking out FedEx here. I'm going to put that on my notepad for a swing trade. FDX. Dow's up about 100 points. Nasdaq's down about 12. S&P's up about 9. Amgen looks so good there on a minute chart. Look at Caterpillar still breaking out there. Man, that Caterpillar trade. I see that Visa take off here in the afternoon. So, see what Baba's doing. Wow, we did
TXRH
a
Texas
great job
Roadhouse
selling Baba
November
this
90
morning.
calls active. About 5,400 contracts on that. That's Tango X-Ray Romeo Hotel TXRH.
Goldman Sachs. little candle on Visa. I'm watching that one up above. Gilead. Wayne said I should have bought that net put, Dave. Down 2% there. Yeah, yesterday when you saw that red candle right there, bam. You might come back down to about 160 there, Dwayne. Still time. Looking good on a minute chart there, too, continuing that breakdown. That X is still on the run there. Should pick up something in the main account on FedEx. She is just continuing that climb there. I think it's time for that FedEx trade. That one would be a main account trade. I don't want to hold on to a trade challenge trade that long, 2 months. December 17th. Let's see there. There's 230s are, damn, they're expensive. $10. FedEx got earnings coming up. Let's take a look at that calendar. Got earnings coming up on FedEx. December 16th. So let's see there. November 26th we could get on FedEx. That brings that price down significantly. Not much volume coming in though. I mean the bid and the ask there is very wide. Monthlies are a little tighter. 230s. November 19th. I'd want something that at least went into Black Friday. Visa's getting a little climb there. See if that one continues. Let's see. Trying to look for a good day trade here, but not finding anything on the setups yet. It's really breaking out or breaking down. AMD is coming off those highs there. AbbVie and Amgen are looking good. Visa's getting another nice little pop there. Airbnb. Let's see. That one had a nice move today. If we could capture that off that low, that'd be nice. Visa's still on the climb there. She's at 80 cents now. Man, look at Ford. Ford is looking good there on a today 1 minute. Chris Jones said followed you on that cat exit a few days ago. Yeah, that cat, I exited out of that one early too there, Chris. Let's see. John Fahili says Coke looks good. KO. Let's take a look at that 3 month daily. That's not bad. Daily chart 55 is going to be R1, resistance 1. And if you got something like 3 months out, you could be targeting that 57. Muhammad said Biden's coming to Scranton, PA, my hometown, today. Mo, not a fan. They renamed the Scranton Carbondale Highway the Joe Biden freeway, and then someone went up. In PA, there's a lot of Biden haters, right? That's my hometown, Scranton. So they put up there the Joe Biden freeway, and then someone went up late at night and they spray painted F, FUCK right on top the day after they put it up. Like it was huge. It was funny. And they did that in all the signs. That was funny. Exit 185. There goes Square again. Square's taking off here on a minute chart. Caterpillar's nearing 204. Man, that's still breaking out there. What are those 200s going for now? Man, so upset I sold that cat.
Morning, Dave.
Good morning, Mo. What's going on?
All right, brother. How you doing?
Oh, I'm doing pretty well. How about yourself?
Great, brother. Great. I think
Yeah.
I'm gonna face some traffic way home from New York.
Are you driving the bus today?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm
Oh
sitting.
man, you're gonna be stuck in traffic.
I know.
How's the bus business doing up there now? Do you think things are picking up? Is it slowing back down?
It's picking up little by little because New York, New York City, people, companies, they set up employees from working from home. So most commuters are not visiting to New York, and also
Yeah.
Broadway is not open.
Oh,
So it's still
Broadway's still
slow
not open.
now.
Oh,
And only like construction workers coming to work,
yeah. Not
and
much
that's
tourists
not.
going out there.
No, you remember those
AUPH
days
or any of
usually
Pharma,
picked up
November
from
20 call
Scranton
sweep
bus
now. That's
pool.
Alpha Uniform
Yeah,
Papa
Today,
those
Hotel.
buses used to be full going out there.
yeah, these days is like two, three people.
Oh, wow. Wow, that's
Yeah.
not good. What time you heading out there today? Or are you out there already?
I'm in the city now. I'm getting out 4:30.
Oh, you're in New York City now?
Yeah, yeah, the port.
Wow. What do you do? Just hang out there at the bus?
I'll be with you until you shut down. So
Nice.
and after that go walk.
So you sold that Baba trade this morning?
Great. Yeah, I bought it actually 282. You
Two.
bought 82, 89, right?
Yeah, I bought it at 285.
85. I bought
Coming up at
282 and
10:30
I
in about
sold
15
500.
minutes.
Wow.
Food and gasoline
$500
I had
profit
inventories.
or $5 a
Crude a build of
contract?
1.857
a
million
$5
expected.
contract. I had two contracts,
Gasoline
Oh,
a draw
nice.
of 1.267 million expected, and
$500 profit
distillates a draw of 700,000 expected. That's
almost.
coming up at
Nice job there,
10:30
Mo.
a.m.
How have you
Eastern
been doing
Time.
trading? I haven't been hearing much from you. I know
I
you're
know I
working.
was in the last few weeks ago. I have few trade for long call. I lost bunch of money on those.
What long call did you have?
Oh, there's a Facebook I had before Facebook went up before that, and also I had Airbnb before. Those that I'm talking about a long time ago. So those money I'm covering now.
Yeah.
Most of the time I'm doing now whatever I have cash and day trading.
So are you finding a lot of trade setups? You running scanners? What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing? Like, are you running scanners trying to find some trades?
Yeah, yeah, I do that. And also I listen you, whatever come from your advice, follow that, do day trading most
Great.
of the
Glad to see you doing well on the trades here, Mo. You know, we got to get you stuck on the trade challenge account here. You know, following those, grow that nicely
Yeah,
there.
I will
I'm
be
gonna be coming up in about 2 weeks, I think. I was thinking about coming up maybe for Thanksgiving. So once I come
okay.
up, we definitely got to get together.
Sure, sure. I will take a day off for you.
Ah, you don't have to take a day off. I'll be up there on the weekends.
Listen, I'm working hard, so you know that I need a break, and if I have you, I'll be really happy.
All right, we'll do a class and we'll trade live together then when I come up.
I can't wait to see you like that, you know.
Awesome. Me too. It's been a while.
Yes, brother.
Definitely. All right, well, have a good day, Mo, all right?
Yeah. You too, brother. Be
Alrighty.
safe,
Take care,
brother.
buddy.
Say hi to Virginia.
I will do.
All right.
Alrighty,
And
bye-bye.
love to Sophia. Love to Sophia.
Yeah, she's getting big. Yeah, at school.
No,
Uh, she's not liking it too much. But,
I know.
alrighty,
All
buddy.
right.
Catch you
Yep.
later, okay? Have a
All
good
right,
day.
brother.
Have a safe
You too.
trip back.
Yep. Thank
Alrighty.
you. You
No problem.
Hey Dave, Ram here.
Who's that?
Ram,
Ram, what's going on, Ram?
how are you?
I'm doing pretty well. How about yourself?
Great, thank you. Dave, we have the Bitcoins ETF BITO, the crypto ETF.
BITO.
Yeah, it just has launched yesterday.
What are you doing? You in that?
Uh, yes, I just bought about 100, 100 of the ETFs yesterday, but wanted to see if I can go all in because the way crypto is going is phenomenal. But just wanted your take on that.
I think this is going to continue to get a pop here. I mean, I could see it at least getting up to $50. It's got a lot of hype behind it right now. I mean, I'm not trading it personally, but obviously this is something that's a little bit safer that I could definitely see people getting into. So, if you're in that, I definitely could see that getting up to 50 pretty quick there. I mean, look at the move it's having already, and it just launched here. So I do think that's going to continue, especially with the hype here. I think Bitcoin's going to continue to climb too. So as that continues, obviously this is going to go with Bitcoin. So, um, it's something that's new out. So I'd be holding on to it. I mean, it's not something that I'd be trading short term. Not yet
Okay.
anyway. Let's see. It does have options on it, but they are crazy expensive. Here's the option chain on it. This is for the November 19th. The 44 is going for about $4.45. So just with that volatility there, I mean, I'd stay away from the options for the first week or two. If you're doing anything, it'd probably just be in and out of these shares.
Got it. But you feel in the long term it's worth investing, right? Or is it too risky?
To hold the shares for the long term?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. I mean, definitely. That's something I'd be doing. I mean, if you see, I mean, what's your target on Bitcoin?
I'm assuming right now it's in 60, 62, but I think it'll touch at least 75.
Let me see. They're actually talking about the Bitcoin feud. They're talking about it right now on CNBC. Man, yeah, they're talking about it there again. So obviously, as they keep talking about it here, this ETF's just going to continue to climb. As far as buying it and holding it, as long as you're a believer in Bitcoin and you think that's going higher. I mean, if Bitcoin does pull back, this is going to have a significant move as well because you know how volatile Bitcoin is. So
Right. Yeah.
I think it's your safer option than buying Bitcoin, itself. I mean, I'd rather definitely buy this ETF compared to Bitcoin, coins there on Coinbase or wherever you're buying them. So that's not bad. And if you're looking for something longer term, let's see what the leaps are looking like on. See, it just came out though, so you have to understand these options are much more expensive than what they should be, just because they're expecting that volatility of people coming in and buying some of these contracts up. So, I mean, look at this. If you go out to January 2024 there, those 44s are going for about 21, 22.50 right there. So, I'd give it some time before I bought the options on that. But as far as this goes, what I think would be a great idea there, Ram, is you buy those shares. So if you buy at least 100, you could sell to open some covered calls on these. I mean, that's a win-win situation right there because right now the implied volatility is so high on these contracts. You could buy them right now you could buy 100 shares for $43.17, and then you could be selling to open. Let's say let's get these up here.
Yeah. I already have 100 shares right now.
So then what I'd be doing is look at this. You could sell to open the December 17th
Senate
50 strike
Democratic
for
leader Schumer
about
says he will speak with
455. So
Pelosi
like
and White House later on Wednesday
$455
about spending
plus
bills.
make the difference from where you bought it at. Let's say you bought them at $43. You'd make $7 a share up to that 50. So you have the 100 shares. So 100 times 7. So you're going to make $700 on that plus another $455. So you'd make about $1,150 on that if she gets up to that 50 there. If not, you keep that money and you could just continue to sell those covered calls against your shares. So with the
Right.
implied
So you're
volatility being
saying,
so high on this, that's what I would do.
right. So you're saying what will be the sell to open one contract and then
So
expiration will be how much?
you have 100 shares right now, right?
Right. Yes. Yeah.
Okay, so now you have to decide where do you think this ETF is going to get up to from now until December 17th? I mean, if you're a believer that you think Bitcoin's going to get up to 75,000 from now until December, then obviously you want to go a little bit further out, maybe sell to open that 60 strike. But I think that 50 strike is nice because you're going to be collecting $7 a contract there, or $7 a share, I should say, and then you're collecting that $455 for selling to open that 50 strike. So all it is here is if you had 10 shares, you would go one contract type call expiration. If you wanted to go with that December 17th, you'd click on that, and then you go down to that 50, and you click there. It would be a sell to open. So you would put in your order here. So it's going between 440 and 470. So you want something mid. I do about 450 or 460, and then you would click sell to open, and then that would turn your shares into that covered call there.
Awesome. Great.
Now
Thank
you
you.
don't have level 4 options, do you?
I just executed a trade and
Just make
it's
sure you don't
waiting in the
have
queue.
level 4, because if you have level 4, they could sell those contracts at any time. If you have level 3, they can't because it is a defined
XOM,
risk
Exxon
strategy.
Mobil,
But if you have
Dow
level
Jones
4,
says
they
Exxon
could sell, they could buy any of
debates
your contracts at any
abandoning some
time there.
major
So
oil and gas
if you're
projects,
doing those,
according to
I'd make sure
sources.
that you have level 3 and not level 4 options approval, just to stay
Got
out of
it.
that
Exxon
situation.
directors have expressed concerns about large
Right. But
Mozambique
I
and
executed
Vietnam
a trade and it's in
projects.
the queue.
That's
It didn't
X-ray
give me error
Oscar
saying that you don't
Michael.
have
Hold on one sec. I
authority to
can't.
execute.
Charlie's talking to the background there. I couldn't hear you. What was that?
No, what I said there was that I placed an order and it went through. It's in the queue, and I didn't get an error message from TD Ameritrade saying that I don't have authority to execute this trade.
You didn't get that message?
No.
So you're fine, right?
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
fine.
So that's good there. So you sold to open that. What price did you put in for there?
$4.60.
Okay, so yeah, see, it's right now it's going for about 450. So, yeah, you see the bid here, 440 by 460. So, unless that starts to climb there, I mean, if she breaks above 43.50, you'll probably get that 460. But right now, you're probably going to get filled at 450 if you want it. But as you see in the background here, it's climbing a little bit there. So if you want to hold that open, that's fine. If not, you could reset that for 450. Should execute there at that 450.
Got it.
And let me know how you do with that, if you're going to be holding on to that.
Sure, absolutely. Thanks, Dave.
No problem. All right, guys. Someone in the trade room was talking about Baba taking off there. Skyjack was saying backing Baba off the lows there. I was looking at that, looking at getting into Baba for another day trade, maybe even a swing trade here. Baba's going to get back up to that 181, 182 today, I think. So let's see here. That
David.
October 22nd. Yes. Who's that
David,
there?
come on, man. Let's get a little CCL.
Doc, what's going on? Where are you at? Up in
What
the
a
woods?
dog. What a dog. Stay away from it. That whole industry is taking
CCL.
a hit.
Let's see here.
A mess.
What expo do you have on that?
I dumped everything. It was going the wrong
Dumped
way, and that
everything.
was it. I got out.
Nice. Where you at? Up north?
Nope, I'm
You
back
back
at
home?
home. I was up there for 2 weeks, and it was great.
Yeah, I didn't see you around. I was wondering where you were.
Trying to stay away, just trying to do my thing.
Nice. What are you day trading today? Anything?
Yeah, so I want to thank you for that Apple move yesterday. That was pretty good. I have my covered calls and my short, just the calendars on Ford. Ford just is doing awesome today.
Well, yeah,
So
Ford is amazing. That's breaking out.
I
Let's see.
think
That's
I'm going to cash out and reload after it takes a little bit of a dump.
wow, that's at 16 bucks right now. Man, that was a nice move. Did you have that vertical spread on Ford that we got months ago there?
No, I've been doing the calendars.
Yeah.
I kind
CSBR
of make some
champions
vertical put
oncology,
spreads
expands global
and calendars throughout.
biomarket
We had
capabilities with
that
opening of European
13-14
lab
vertical spread.
at
We
Open
bought
Zone
back
Life
that
Sciences
that
campus. That's
14.
Charlie
Let those
Sandy
13s
Bravo
climb. I
Romeo.
wish I held on to that one a little bit longer though. And
CSBR.
got to get back into Bamba here. This one's still continuing to break out.
I'm gonna hold on to Bob until next week. We'll see what happens.
Yeah, I think that one's gonna. I mean, that's ready for a nice breakout there. I think 190 to 200 is an easy target for next week, especially with tech earnings coming up. Thinking about getting back in. I'm debating if I want to get it in the trade challenge account as
MOS
well.
Mosaic, new pick from Investors Business Daily. Michael Oscar Sandy.
Let's see here. Baba, let me look at the option chain here. Maybe we'll do a main account again for the October 29th Expo. The 180s are going for about $4.50, 4.45. Let's see. X. Let's see what the December expos look like. That's not bad if we picked up the 180s for that December 17th expo for the main account there, and then look for that day trade for trade challenge account. Let's see, 190. Let's see what Baidu's doing here.
WISH Context Logic weekly $6 call sweep. That's Whiskey India Sandy Hotel, WISH.
Phil, do I want to do a main trade on this or what? Do I want to go with that December expo or do I want to do next week? That December 17th.
Coming up
we get up
in
to that 200 by then. That's taking into
a little
account
over
Black
a minute
Friday,
now.
all the holiday shopping.
Crude and
We get up to that
gasoline
200,
inventories.
that'll make a 100% return easily. And that's not a bad setup there.
Crude a build of
Or we could go
1.857
with
million
next week's
expected.
expo and look for that 190
Gasoline a
at
draw
least.
of
And if we
1.267
pick up
million
those
and
180s
distillates
for about 460 and she
draw
gets up to
of
190 by
700,000
next
expected.
Friday, that's going to be a big breakout. And the thing is, we got some big tech earnings next week, so that'd be a nice piggyback trade on that. Let's see, Baba. So no earnings for Baba this month. She's going on November 3rd. So let's see Amazon. Amazon's usually a good piggyback off that. Amazon is October 28th. So if we pick up next week's expo on Baba
SWX
there, that's
Carl
going to act as a
Icahn
piggyback trade as well
issues
there.
letter to shareholders of
I like
Southwest
that.
Gas.
I like that. I think I'm going to pick that up in the main account there.
Sandy Whiskey X-Ray.
All right. Let me get that ready. P, new trade coming up. Put options trading. Let's see, October 29th. We want that 180. She's going for about 4. Let's see there.
Crude stocks a draw of 431,000. Gasoline a draw of 5.4 million. Distillates a draw of 3.9 million. Crude getting a pop here now. Again, crude a draw of 431,000 versus a build of 1.857 million expected. Gasoline inventories a much larger draw than expected, 5.368 million versus 1.267 million expected. Crude popping here, $82.
Alrighty, guys, I got in the Baba 180 calls for October 29th Expo at 458. That was our execution price on Baba. Payush, this is going to be a main trade, not a trade challenge account trade here. Did a small trade in the main account there. I'll share that with you guys in the trade room. So our BABA, that is going to be, let's just change that up there. Don't. What do we got there? We got the 180 calls at 458.
LC Lending Club shares getting a pop to the high, hearing Atlas Trading mentioning the stock.
Yeah, let me redo this. I want to say something else here with that. Russian president ordering a week without work. Right. Just sent that out there. And I'm sharing that in here with you guys. $458 a contract. Good. Good, good. Nice. Now I want to see that Visa take off this week. That'll be nice. And then we got to find a good trade challenge trade there. Day trade. Let's look for a day trade now. Made our swing trade. That is done. I just sent that out. All right, we are going to find a day trade now. It's 10:30. Let's find a day trade. YouTube, we are going to go make some trades here with our members. If you guys want to come join us, you guys can go to breakingchartalerts.com and you guys could simply go to the Join Now membership pricing plans, and you guys can join us right here. Use your promo code right up here, pick your plan you want, and come join us. We'll be in the trade room. We'll be live on Zoom. So here is the trade room right here. If you want to join us right now for some live day trading, you'd click here, and then in the afternoon, 3 to 4, you click at that bottom one. That'll take you to our live trading there. So hope everyone has a great day today. Our Visa trade's down a little bit here, down about 324 bucks on Visa. That is a piggyback trade off of American Express that's reporting earnings on the 22nd. And if we take a look at that Visa chart there, that daily Visa chart, 6-month daily chart, still looking good there. Looking for that breakout above 235. And we'll see what American Express does on the 22nd there. So that's a piggyback swing trade on Visa off of AXP earnings. So we'll take a look and see what that does tomorrow and Thursday there going into Amex earnings. Okay, so let's take a look. We're probably going to be doing some trading here on SPY, guys. So I will see you guys on YouTube tomorrow. If you guys want to come join us, come join us. BreakingChartAlerts.com. Once you guys do join us, make sure you download our app. Search for it on the App Store, Breaking Chart Alerts. And we will see you guys later. See, you guys get these nice little notifications down here on your desktop once a new trade is there. Alrighty, guys. Have a great day.